There was a 19-year-old boy named Lucas. Lucas always looked at others and felt less. When he scrolled through social media, he saw boys with perfect bodies, flashy cars, expensive clothes. In school, he saw classmates who were smarter, taller, funnier, or more confident than him. Lucas would stand in front of the mirror and whisper to himself, "Why can't I be like them? Why am I not enough?" Day after day, comparison became his habit, and slowly, comparison became his prison. One evening, Lucas was sitting alone in the park. His best friend James came and sat beside him. James noticed Lucas looked sad and asked, "Bro, what's wrong?" Lucas sighed deeply. "I don't know, man. I just feel I'll never be good enough. Everyone out there is better than me." James paused, then smiled. "Come with me tomorrow. I want to show you something." The next day, James took Lucas to a field where different flowers were growing. There were roses, sunflowers, daisies, and wildflowers. James pointed and asked, "Lucas, tell me, which flower is the best?" Lucas looked confused. The rose is beautiful, the sunflower is bright, the daisy is simple but cute. I can't pick one. They're all different." James nodded. "Exactly. Each flower is different, yet each is beautiful in its own way. Do you ever see a rose trying to become a sunflower? Or a daisy wishing to be a rose?" Lucas shook his head. "No, they just bloom as they are." James looked into Lucas's eyes and said, "Then why do you keep trying to be someone else? You're a flower too, Lucas, a unique one. The world doesn't need another copy. The world needs you." Something clicked in Lucas's heart that day. For the first time, he realized that comparing himself to others was like asking a rose to be a sunflower. He thought about his small talents, his kindness, his creativity, his ability to make people smile. He never valued them before. But now he understood. These were his gifts. From that day, Lucas made a decision. No more comparisons. He would accept himself. He would grow, not by being like others, but by being the best version of himself. And here's the truth, my friend. Maybe right now you feel like Lucas once felt. Maybe you look at others and think, "They're smarter than me, stronger than me, richer than me." But remember this. You are not here to be a copy. You are here to be original. A rose doesn't need to be a sunflower. A daisy doesn't need to be a rose. And you don't need to be anyone else. Your value is not in comparison. Your value is in your uniqueness. So stop asking, "Why am I not like them?" and start saying, "I am enough as I am, and I will grow as myself." The lesson is simple. Don't compare. Don't copy. Just bloom as yourself. Because when you accept who you are, you will realize you were never less. You were always enough.